Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock your air suspension if your VW Touareg has an air suspension. So you have to do that when you're changing, for example, a tire. So first step is to turn on the engine. I have my keys over here. So the air suspension lock button is right over here between these two. This one over here, lock button. You can do this, so let's wait for 5 seconds and press this button for probably 10 seconds. Let's see. Yes. So you have to press this button until it appears over here on a dashboard, jack mode. So now it's safe for you to change the tires. One advice is, before you leave, press the lock button, the suspension lock button again, and undo this operation, because it's not safe for you to drive like this. So we are going to push for another 10 seconds, and now it's off over here, and we can't see it in the dashboard as well. So do that, please. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.